Dear children, what I want to share with you today is the stability of metal complexes. Myself, Dr. Digna Varghese. Stability of complexes. The stability of compounds means, in the most general sense, the compounds exist under suitable conditions may be stored for a long period of time. The stability of coordination complex is an important factor that decides the stability and reactivity of a metal complex. The stability of metal complex is governed by two different aspects such as thermodynamic stability and kinetic stability. The correlation between the stability and the reactivity of coordination compounds has been described in this video. This video also enlists the two stability terms, that is thermodynamic stability and the kinetic stability. The stability of metal complex generally means that it exists under favorable conditions without undergoing decomposition and has a considerable shelf period. The stability of metal complexes can be explained with the help of two different aspects that we know: thermodynamic stability and kinetic stability. Now we are discussing thermodynamic stability here. A metal complex is said to be more stable if it does not react with water, which would lead to a decrease in the free energy of the system. That is actually thermodynamic stability. On the other hand, the complex is said to possess kinetic stability if it reacts with water to form a stable product and there is a known mechanism through which the reaction can proceed. Thermodynamic stability of a complex refers to its tendency to exist under equilibrium conditions. It determines the extent to which the complex will be formed or be converted into another complex at the point of equilibrium. The thermodynamic stability of a species is a measure of the extent to which the species will form or be transformed into another species under certain conditions when the system has reached equilibrium. In other words, thermodynamic stability of complexes is the measure of the tendency of a metal ion to selectively form a specific metal complex and is directly related to the metal ligand bond energies. In the language of thermodynamics, the equilibrium constants of a reaction are the measure of the heat released in the reaction and entropy change during reaction. The greater the amount of heat evolved in the reaction, the more stable are the reaction products. Secondly, the greater the increase in the entropy during the reaction, greater is the stability of products. So, any reaction for the formation of complex, the greater the amount of heat evolved and greater is the entropy during the reaction, greater will be the stability of the complex or products. Thermodynamic stability deals with the bond energy, stability constant and redox potential. The thermodynamic stability of complexes is represented by formation constant. The formation constant is also known as stability constant, which is the equilibrium constant obtained for the formation of metal complex. The stability constant or formation constants we will discuss in next video. Okay. Stability of a complex is assigned to be in its existence in aqueous solution with respect to its bond dissociation energy, Gibbs free energy, standard electrode potential, pH of a solution, and rate constant or activation energy for substitution reactions. In general, the metal complexes are not prepared from their corresponding starting materials in gaseous phase but are prepared in aqueous solution. In aqueous solution, a metal cation gets hydrated to give aqua complex of the type MH2OXN+. When a ligand replaces a water molecule from a complex, aqua complex ion, new metal complex is formed and equilibrium is established as shown in the equation. MH2OXN plus, that is the aqua complex. The metal cation gets hydrated to give the aqua complex. That again reacts with a new ligand. The ligand will replaces one of the water molecule and giving a new metal complex, that is MH2OX minus 1 Ln plus 1 N plus H2O, where X is the number of water molecules and N is the oxidation number of the metal ion, and L is the neutral and monodentate ligand. Okay. For simplicity, the above reaction can be written in a generalized form as given in this equation: M plus ligand giving Ml, where in the equation the concentration of water is not included. Since the solution is dilute, the water molecules here, the complex formed and a water molecule is here, but for the simplicity, the reaction can be written in this form. So the concentration of water is not included here because the solution is dilute. The water molecule which enter the bulk solution do not have much influence on the equilibrium constant, that is Kf. That is actually the formation constant or stability constant. The equilibrium constant Kf of the reaction is given by Kf is equal to M concentration of complex divided by concentration of metal into concentration of ligand. If the value of Kf, which determines the stability of the complex, if higher the value of the formation constant, that is higher the value of the formation constant Kf, the greater will be the stability of the complex formed. Okay. That is, if Kf is greater than 1, which indicates that the equilibrium of the activity of the complex at equilibrium, the activity of the metal complex Ml is larger than the product activities of metal and ligand. The large value of Kf indicates that the stability of the complex also increases. That means the ligand L binds to the metal ion more strongly than the water. Hence, ligand is a stronger ligand than water. Other condition is if Kf is less than 1. If Kf is less than 1 means the lower the value of Kf means lower will be the stability of the complex formed. That means Kf is less than 1 indicates that at equilibrium the concentration of the complex is less than the product concentrations, metal and ligand. So the lower value of Kf indicates that the ligand L binds to the metal ion more weaker than water. Hence, L is a weaker ligand than water. Kinetic stability. It refers to the speed with which a chemical reaction takes place. Okay. Kinetic stability is related to the reactivity of the metal complexes in solution and deals with the rate of the reaction, its activation energy, etc. Kinetic stability is also related to how fast a compound reacts rather than how stable it is. It is connected with the rates and mechanism of chemical reactions such as substitution, isomerization, racemization, etc. The term kinetic stability of complexes is classified into labile complex and inert complex. These are introduced by Taube, the great scientist, on the basis of rate of reactions. The complexes in which the ligands are rapidly replaced by others are called labile, are non-inert complexes, while those in which substitution occurs very slowly or slowly are termed inert complexes. In the case of labile complexes, the rate of ligand exchange is very fast and the ligands are exchanged very easily. For example, consider a copper complex of the formula CuNH34H2O twice 2 plus is labile. In aqueous solution, the complex is blue in color. When concentrated hydrochloric acid is added to this particular complex solution, the complex solution turns, giving rise to green complex, that is, it is this CuNH34H2O 2 plus converted into CuCl4 2 minus. So the solution turns from blue to green by adding concentrated HCl. So it is a labile complex. There is an exchange of ligands very easy by a suitable reaction or reacting with concentrated hydrochloric acid. On the other hand, in inert complexes, the rate of ligand exchange is very slow and the ligands are exchanged with difficulty. Consider a complex of cobalt, that is CONH36 3 plus, reacts slowly and no reaction takes place at a room temperature when concentrated HCl was added to the aqueous solution. When concentrated HCl is added to this particular cobalt amine complex, there is no reaction. So this complex is highly inert complex and the ligand exchange is not very easily, or the exchange of ligands can be done with very difficult reactions. When we add concentrated HCl, 6 molar concentrated HCl solution to this particular complex in aqueous solution, one of the ammonia ligand can be replaced by chloride ligand. So this particular complex is highly inert. So the ligands are exchanged with very difficulty. Okay, otherwise there is no exchange occurs. Such complexes are called inert complexes. Relation between thermodynamic and kinetic stabilities. For metal complexes, the stability and reactivity are described in thermodynamic and kinetic terms. In particular, the terms stable and unstable are related to thermodynamic aspects, whereas labile and inert terms are related to kinetic aspects. As a rule of thumb, a metal complex is said to be labile if it reacts with 1 minute at 25 degrees Celsius, and if it takes longer time, it is considered to be inert. Thermodynamic stability refers to the energy change occurs while starting materials are converted to products, that is, the energy change denoted by delta G for the reaction. The change in free energy is given by the equation we know delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S, that is related to the equilibrium constant RT ln K. We know that thermodynamic stability related to stability constant. Okay, and delta S is the entropy change and delta H is the enthalpy change and K is the equilibrium constant for the reaction. Kinetic stability refers to reactivity or the ability of the metal complex to undergo ligand substitution reactions. Complexes which undergo extremely rapid ligand substitution reaction are referred to as labile complexes that we know, and complexes that undergo extremely slow ligand substitution reaction, which we are referred to as inert complexes. Sometimes the thermodynamic and kinetic stabilities of complexes are parallel to one another, but often they do not. Okay, children. We know a metal complex is said to be labile if it reacts within 1 minute at 25 degrees Celsius, and if it takes longer time, it is considered to be inert. You can see from this table the ligand exchange can take place for chromium hexaquark complex. One water ligand can replace from this complex takes place 6 days. Okay, so one water can exchange from this chromium complex within 6 days. So it is an inert complex. In the case of platinum tetra aqua complex, ligand exchange, that is one water can removed from this particular complex, that takes within 0.4 milliseconds. So it is highly labile complex. You can see sometimes the thermodynamic and kinetic stabilities of complexes are parallel to one another, but often they do not. For example, for thermodynamically stable and kinetically labile complex, stability and lability, okay, they are means some opposite or some controversy, but it is true for thermodynamically stable complex is sometimes kinetically labile complex. For example, nickel tetracyanate, as it undergoes ligand substitution reaction very rapidly, so it is said to, this complex is said to be kinetically labile complex. Another example for thermodynamically unstable complex, that is CONH3 3+, and it is kinetically inert complex. One is unstable, thermodynamically unstable, but kinetically inert complex. So here is also some controversy, but it is true. The complex CONH3 3+ is thermodynamically unstable since the complex was observed to decompose very rapidly with the rate in the order 10 raised to 25 in acidic solution. But there is no ligand substitution. Please note the point, there is no ligand substitution reaction is found when the complex is kept in acidic solution for several days. Hence, the complex is said to be kinetically inert complex. From the two examples, that is for complex nickel tetracyanate and cobalt hexamine complex, it can be interpreted that the stability of a complex mainly depends upon the conditions, as it always recommended to specify the conditions such as pH, temperature, etc. while mentioning the stability of the complex. It is not necessary for stable complex to be inert, okay, and an unstable complex to be labile. You can see here three reactions, okay. In this case, all these complexes are thermodynamically stable complexes, but their kinetic behavior is kinetically they behave in a different manner. The rate of exchange can be measured with a carbon-14 labeled cyanide ion. These cyanide ions, which are reacts with the metal complexes in solution, it indicates that the nickel tetracyanate with carbon-14 labeled cyanide ion, the ligand exchange takes place very fast within 30 seconds. So this reaction is kinetically, or this complex is said to be kinetically labile complex. But in the case of manganese hexacyanate, the same carbon-14 labeled cyanide ion, a ligand exchange takes place within 1 hour. This means that this particular complex is somewhat labile, but when compared to nickel tetracyanate, it is less labile, okay. And in the case of chromium hexacyanate, it is reacted with the same carbon-14 labeled cyanide ion, but this reaction occurs, or ligand exchange takes place within 24 days. So how slow the reaction is? So it is a slowest reaction, and it is almost inert complex, okay. So it is not necessary when the thermodynamically stable complex is kinetically inert. We can see from these three examples, one is labile and the other is less labile and the one is inert complex, even though these complexes are thermodynamically stable. Okay. The thermodynamic and kinetic stability of coordination compounds have been discussed in this video. I hope you understand. Thank you for your attention.